Alright, so I'm back for another video, and for today, ang gagawin natin ay tayo ay mag-unbox, unwrap, unplastic. Unplastic muna bago mag-unbox. Unbox of something that I bought from Shopee that I have been like super pinag-iisipan ko talaga to buy. Like, the previous video was about me thinking if whether I'll have to buy a microphone or not, and I finally caved in. Today, we'll be unboxing a microphone that I got from Shopee. I have reviewed several videos coming from different YouTube vloggers who are new to video shooting. I decided I really have to invest on a good mic. Or let's say a pretty decent mic. I always say pretty decent. Kasi syempre, dapat decente tayo. Hindi tayo... So nag-prepare ako. And I saw that their lighting was good. So not only that this is going to be like an unboxing of the mic that I bought from Shopee, but I'd like to also share with you my new setup, which is why parang medyo kakaibang dating natin ngayon. Hindi na masyadong glaring sa eyeglasses yung mga lights natin. So I have 3 lights. I have the first one that I bought, which is the ring light. The ring light is just like more than an arm's length from me. And since I'm using a ring light and I don't want you guys to see the glare sa eyeglasses ko, now it's like super like up there. And it's pointing towards me a little bit downward. You know, the angle is like downwards. And I have 4, 2. Ay, hindi kasi ako masyadong fan ng naglalagay ng hair products sa hair. Products sa hair, masyadong redundant. Malamang yung hair products for the hair. But I'm trying to minimize and shy away from putting hair products. Basta sa buhok. Kasi nga, medyo numinipis na yung buhok ko. That's why I'm also taking like collagen supplements to make my hair grow a little thicker than how it's growing now. Yeah, nagko-collagen ako. So, i-share ko muna sa inyo yung dalawang bagay na binili ko bago tong unboxing video na to. So that this unboxing video will be as good as the unboxing videos that you see on YouTube. 2 extra lights. One on this side and then one on that side. And I wanted to balance out the things that you see in my background, like the shadows, because a lot of people are using green screens so that they can change the backgrounds of their YouTube videos, or when they shoot videos they can edit it and make something out of their background so it will not be as boring as the one that I have right now. But since I have to make the most of what I have currently, so I'm just gonna leave it as like white and at the back. You'll just have to wait for my next upcoming videos on how will I make this thing here in the back na medyo maganda naman yung thing. It's not just plain. But I like the minimalist. Maybe I could probably switch it up. Like, sometimes it's gonna be just plain, sometimes it's gonna be like something else and more exciting, something colorful. And those are 2 important things that I thought would help me have a better unboxing video. So be purchasing 2 mini tabletop soft boxes. So I'm gonna move this one and I'm gonna show you this one. So it's like a tabletop soft box. And this one, it goes to up to this length. So there's like 1, 2, 3 sections on the legs. I'm currently using up until only the second part of the section. I'm gonna place it back, so I have 2. I'm gonna show you. And before I started the video, I've been playing around on where to put them. Like, should it be like beside me, or one in front of me and then one in the back? And I'm still doing my research and got myself into 3-point lighting, which is why I got really interested in getting these babies. Sorry, lumabas talaga yung totoong kulay ko. But I'm not hiding it. I think everybody knows naman my preference or my sexuality or whatever you may call it. Sometimes being a little too politically correct is kind of stressful, so whatever floats your boat, so long as I know that I consider myself a part of the community, I think that's gonna be okay. You know, I keep on looking at my phone because I'm using the front-facing camera. I need to focus on it. That's one thing that you have to remember if you're going to start off as a YouTuber or a newcomer in the YouTube arena as a vlogger, is for you to always focus your attention on the camera instead of the screen of your phone, because it's gonna be like awkward if you look into the screen while you're shooting a video. It should be like straight to the camera, and that's something that I'm still working on, and I hope you understand. So before we go to the unboxing, I know that you guys are excited. The last time that I uploaded a video, it took me a while. I think it has been more than a month now from my previous video, the one that I was contemplating on whether to buy a microphone or not. Back then, I didn't have the budget, but right now, I had some extra, so I decided to go for buying a microphone. And you guys don't know it yet. Yeah, you don't know. Let's switch it up to our unboxing view. You will no longer see my face, but just my hands and a blank table. Okay, ready? Okay, so this is the microphone that I bought. So let's start the unwrapping first. So I adjusted the light. It will point towards the item that we'll be unboxing. I hope this will turn out great. Anywho, so buksan na natin siya. And you might have guessed it. Yes, it's a Boya brand microphone. So let's do unboxing.
It's gonna be like opening it like this. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so lalabsan natin siya. Okay. Alright. First sound, wait and see.
It's gonna be my hand. So bear with me. And sana huwag niyo akong ibakit. Sisirain ko na talaga tong bubble wrap.
Ito, I'll keep it because bubble wraps are good stress busters. Here is the mic that I bought. So I got it for only 549 pesos. And this one is not the one that's compatible to an iPhone directly. But since when you get an iPhone 11 Pro Max, it comes with a dongle, so I just thought that I could use that dongle so that I can get this one at its low price. Nakita niyo ba ako? Hello, I'm still here. So live tayo ngayon, nag-uusap tayo. So this is the Boya BY-M1 Lavalier microphone. So it's a clip-on microphone for smartphones, DSLR, camcorders, audio recorders, like what I said, PC and laptops. It's omnidirectional condenser microphone. So it says a lot about the microphone on how the quality or how the sound will be captured through the microphone. So it's an omnidirectional. I don't know what it means, but I think, correct me if I'm wrong, if it says omnidirectional, it means that, I don't know, maybe it can get the sound from all over. The box is kind of squished. Yun nga lang, parang, ano, and I hope the product's not damaged. But I already gave the seller like a good review. Like I gave him like 5 stars. And maybe it's an old stock, but I hope it will work as how it's meant to work. Signal noise is 74 decibels. Decibel. What else can we see on the box? So it says the weight is 2.5 grams. Like it's very important. No. Power module, 18 grams. I don't know what the heck that means. And the cable is 6 meters. Ang haba. Ang haba. Ang haba. Like it's 6 meters. One of my schoolmates who happens to be senior officer ko back then when I was still an MOCC, so CAP, mentioned to me that I could probably invest on getting Saramonic brand of a lavalier. But since wala tayong perang pang Saramonic, we'll just use this one since it's way cheaper. This is like 20 times cheaper than the Saramonic mic. Nakita ko, it's around 10,000, 11,000 lang naman. And I don't have that much. I'm gonna stick with this 549 pesos, not including shipping, na nakuha natin sa shop. And I'll just start off with the basic thing. When you open the box, what you will get is the stuff inside a leatherette bag. Some literatures that you will get along with the microphone. Galing siyang Shenzhen. Naku, galing China. Charot! Hindi. Remember that COVID does not survive without a host. So, probably on the way here to the Philippines, patay na yung COVID. But later, I'll wash my hands. Don't worry. It's a warranty card. So you get this one, which is the manual. Magbabasa lang tayo ng konti kasi syunga-syunga tayo. So basa-basa muna tayo para hindi tayo masyadong syunga-syunga pag ginamit natin. Although I really know how to really connect this one, but I just like to read. That's something that you guys have to know about me. I kind of love reading instructions or manuals, but Google is always handy if you have questions. But I'd like to get the information straight from the manufacturers and the brand owner of this microphone. Ito ang kasama sa bag. Okay, so you have this. There's something else inside. Oh, okay. You have other stuff. And the most important, silica gel. Don't eat this to absorb moisture. So it's a good thing that Boya gave this, including the package, like a small leatherette bag to keep it safe and content. So let's try to look at this one first. The first one is like an adapter, so you can plug it in on those plugs. So it's like a kind of large. So this one is the 3.5mm head jack, and this one is like an adapter that you can put it like so, and then it's like, you know, you can plug it on those big stereos, old school stereos. Next, the LR44 battery. This one is very important. You know, it's the foamy, or also known as the windscreen thingy. Windscreen, yeah. It's the windscreen. Could be yung lunal ni Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo, kaya ni Piolo Pascual, o kaya ni Nora Honor. Ayan. Pwede rin yung bigote ni Hitler, ganyan. if you're doing outdoor videos, this is really important. Oops. Okay. Oh, okay. So be careful when you buy these stuff. You'll get to have like a very small screw, which you don't want to lose when you're unboxing something, and then like a small clip, the lapel clip that you need. It's like a letter U shape. I hope that you can see it. Yeah, it's so small. It's just like that big. Then I'm gonna show you how small the screw. It's like that small. It's like super small. Super small. Super small. And then you have the clip, the one that you clip on your clothes. Okay, so time check lang tayo ng mabilis. I don't really shoot videos like during the day yet because of a lot of noise. Like tricycle, yung mga kotse, tapos yung mga delivery, ganyan. Daming distractions. That's why I always opt to shoot videos like at, I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you can see. Hey, there you go. It says 2:06 in the morning. Punta na tayo dun sa main product. It's just so good that they also included this Velcro type cord organizer. I don't know what it's called, but it's like Velcro, so you can make your 6-meter long cable neat and tidy when you put it inside the bag. And I like that. So that's the microphone itself. Ngayon, I still have the world's tiniest screw, and then the U-shaped clip thingy, and the clip, and let's try to assemble the microphone. So you can that there are like holes on there, So the smallest one in the middle is the hole that's meant for this. You will see here if you kind of look closely. I don't know kung makikita nyo. There's also a hole here. That's where the. Oh, I'm gonna put it now. I don't have a screwdriver. Okay. Maybe because it's just a little dark. Okay, na-shoot ko na siya. So now, itatapat na natin siya dito. And just twist it so it gets attached to there. So na-attach ko na siya. So ikakabit lang natin siya. Sobrang dali. It's gonna be easy for you to know where to attach it. I was just being stupid and dumb. There! It's snapped. So it's now secured on the clip. And the best way to put here. So for those people who have questions para sa itong battery na to, you put it inside this part of the microphone. Of course, it will just twist. It's gonna just twist to reveal where you need to put the battery. So it's like inside there's like a spring. I don't know if you can see it. Now let's put them back together until it stops. So this is a dongle. So this one is attached to this like so. And I'm ready to test the audio quality. So you have to listen carefully because I wouldn't know if it's good or not. So you can tell it down on the comments down below if the audio quality improved. And the cable will run from somewhere here, then under the table to my phone. So I have to reach it. Okay, it's under the table now. But I'll just put it here. Flip goes that way, so probably this way. Okay, so I'm gonna attach it now to my phone. I don't know if it will change something. Okay, so mic test, 1, 2, 3. I don't know kapag nag-effect na siya, but they say that the controller should be on off or on a smartphone mode, like this one. Yeah. So mic test, 1, 2, 3. So tatanggalin natin yung microphone and let's try to do close to the mouth testing. Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Mic. Sino ba si Mike? Mike. Hello. I put it here. Mic test. Mic test. There. I put it inside my shirt so it looks invisible. So that it will look like I don't have any lapel, and you'll get to see a clean look. Ngayon, tatanggalin na natin siya, and let me know if there's like a difference. So I'm gonna read for the jack. So it's already disconnected. I don't know if the iPhone automatically switches from the microphone when you attach it, or you have to restart the video or whatever. But there's a big difference, I guess. I'm just basing it from my assumption and my expectation. But this is how it sounds like without the microphone. So let's put it back. Okay, so this is how it sounds like after plugging it in again. And this is again a sound check, the quality of the lavalier microphone from Boya. Again, it is the BY-M1 lavalier microphone that only cost me $549, not inclusive of the shipping fee. Let me know what you think. Maybe we can switch on to the vlogger focus. So the reason why I bought the lavalier mic over the shotgun mic is because I have a big ass electric fan right here, and I don't want you guys to be hearing that. And I hope that it got minimized when you notice it in the first part of this video at naririnig nyo talaga yung buzz ng electric fan on the early part of this video. I don't know how it sounds like right now, and I might be able to only notice it when I get to edit the video on the difference on how my voice sounds like before attaching the microphone and now that I'm wearing it. And for all you guys who have been watching my video, all my videos were shot while I'm sitting on the bed. That is it for today's unboxing and review of the Lavalier mic. Again, it's the Boya BY-M1 Lavalier mic, and that's what I'm using. It's just under my shirt. And let me know in the comment section down below on how it sounds like. I hope you guys like this review, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And for those people who have not subscribed on my YouTube channel, click on subscribe. And you could also click on the notification bell to keep you updated with the new releases of my videos. So till next time and till the next video, I hope you guys have wonderful and keep safe and always take care. Bye.